Hey Chaos fam, so I'm gonna record a really quick video. I recently purchased the Venalisa 60 count gel paint kit. That was a mouthful. Well, I actually tested it out before doing this review because, as you know, like always, I like testing things out with myself and my clients just to make sure that I really do like them before doing just an immediately box opening review on them. So I love these. They're great. They hold up super well. My clients come every 3 weeks to a month and they still have their designs pretty much intact. I'm gonna use a few of them today and show you guys what that looks like. Go ahead and prep the nail with the Beetles Foundation Base Gel. I like this gel because it gives me a nice smooth matte surface to work with, and I feel like designs, gel paints just stick on better when they have that matte smooth surface to work on. So I'm gonna use this color. I'm gonna try to do like kind of a fall design for you guys today. And I like these gel paints. They're pretty pigmented right off the bat. Like obviously, just like most gels, I recommend 2 coats depending on what you want to achieve. So what I'm doing here is just applying a really thin coat of the color. I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds and then I'm gonna do another coat and I'll be right back. I forgot to show you guys the color I was using. It's 1606. These colors do not have names, they just have numbers. I'll show you a picture of all 60 colors eventually during the video, but I did the double coat, and now what I'm going to do is, without wiping the dispersion layer that is left, which is not that bad, it's not so sticky, so I think I can directly paint onto this without any problems. I'm going to use the black color, which is number 1613. And what I'm gonna try to do for you guys is somewhat of an autumn leaf outline. Alright, after flash curing that outline, I'm going to take 1601, 1566, and 1636, and I'm going to try to attempt to carefully draw around the outline that I already made. So I just wanted to show you really quick how the colors come in their little pots. They come sealed with the Venalisa identified foil, so I guess that's how you know it's a legit product. It is a little hard to open. Not that it's hard, it's just messy. Like, you're gonna get gel all over the place, but after you have it open, well, that's that, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna open up these glitters and try to choose one that I can put into this design. This one I don't think will be the one because it's kind of chunkier than I wanted it to be for it, But if I can't find one in the Venalisa glitters, I will definitely get one that I have from the Beatles collection. So I really didn't find one that I like because the glitters that came in that 60 pack that I got are actually chunky glitters. So I didn't want to put anything chunky here, and I don't want to give it a lot of glitter. I just want to give it little touches here and there to make it look a little visually interesting. And I'll probably put some here on the gold parts, just scatter it around, doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so I went ahead and capped that with my Organic Nails top coat. It's wipe free, and this is what it looks like. Definitely not the best choice of colors. I'm not gonna lie. It was just, I had done a set for a client that had just left, and I was like, oh, these look like they could be fall colors, but I mean, it does not look like colors that would be on a leaf. But still, I mean, you get the whole idea of it, and I just wanted you to see, you know, the consistency of the Venalisa gel paints. I love it because it's thick enough so that you put when you draw with them, the design does stay in place, and it's not like moving around, it's not liquidy moving around over the place, so it's easy to control. So yeah, I do like the color payoff is super great. Awesome, actually. The only thing was that I didn't want it to be super deep, solid, bold colors. I wanted for it to look kind of patchy and kind of watercolor-y. So that's why I didn't really use the full potential of the paints while I was painting the leaf, the colors inside the leaf. But black is a color that is hard to get, you know, solid and bold when it comes to gels. I have a few blacks and they're kind of translucent, not as opaque as I would like them to be, and this one is pretty opaque. Like, I can literally draw a line on the nail and it'll be super bold, super black right off the bat. Same as white and all the lighter colors that are harder to work with. I absolutely love the 60 colors, and I will show you guys a picture at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, be careful anywhere you are. Take care, bye.